I'm on the tram and now we're going back down to the bottom. Here we go. Wow. Here we go, right down to the bottom, to the ground. Look at that view. Amazing. Saves my legs. Here's the tram. You can see all of Tbilisi from here. Look at that. Church over here, or cathedral. Look at that. Beautiful views. We're at our stopping point. I don't know why we actually stop, but maybe for people to take photos or for people to get out. I have no idea. I'm in a noisy carriage this time. Yeah, more people getting in. Hi. Wow. So now we're going to continue down to the bottom. In a minute. Toot toot. Here we go, we're off. Look at all them steps I'm missing out on. Almost there. Well, that was a fantastic morning at the park. Absolutely brilliant it was. Now it's time to walk home and